Morning everyone, just got to Selby Canal with Dan and we're going to do a spot of magnet fishing here today. Last time I came here it was with Ian and 3 CRT guys came to swiftly move us on, but we showed them we had an email from the top CRT guy, their boss, and they were very apologetic and then said crack on. So we're back again today, and I'll get back to you if we find out. First find it there was a D-shaped handle, and then second find was this padlock I've just pulled out. Dan's just got a padlock as well.
Old Yale, been cut.
Been cut open. Dan's just pulled out.
Oh, it's got a big flat end on it and all, so it must have been used for like digging stuff out.
Might be like a fireman's pry bar.
Yeah, because it's tapered.
Yeah. Like what they wedge under the car bonnets when there's car fire in it.
Yeah. Stands to reason, fire at the station there.
Yeah, or even pry doors open in burning buildings.
Right, what I would on though, there was something else a bit more interesting. Off like a cash box size.
Yeah. Dan's hunting for a cash box that he got up to the surface and then dropped. Just prior to getting this metal pry bar. So just having a quick search again. The rain stopped now, which is good. He's got some on it.
Oh, mobile.
Came here in a previous video. Well, a very quick video of just the finds, which were on there when I came with Ian a couple of months back. Oh.
And now how old is that?
Well, Alcatel mobile.
Bit waterlogged, you can see it going through the screen.
Yep. So that's 2 nice finds for Dan. Or 3 with Paul. And I'll get back to you if we get cash box.
I think it's a stereo.
Yep. Dan's just got a CD player out. Oh no, it's even older. Cassette.
Cassette, yeah.
A lot of you millennials won't even know what one of them is.
With some muscles living inside it.
Nice.
It is. A Blair Punk though.
Oh.
So for the time we were a good make.
Yeah. Next piece out. Some kind of like corrugated roofing off a garage or something. Big piece. So we've just flagged down a passing scrapland, but he's just gone around that corner before I got camera out. It says he'll come back after he's picked up some bits. And he'll collect his stuff if we leave it in the power for him. So we're just leaving, taking stuff over here for him to collect. And then he's only got to carry from there to there. says it'll be about 15 minutes. So, I'm gonna keep this pry bar, take it home, knock all the crud off, and then keep it for garage. And this is Dan's keep pile thing. Foam padlock, stereo. So yeah, not great finds today, but at least the rain stayed off. And we're finishing early enough to go urban exploring now. That top scrap away in the car. Just show, left it neat and tidy. Just in case any of one's come, leave it a mess. But you can't get blamed for it. Small little neat pile for scrap man. Be about 5 minutes away now. So yeah. Local fire station now, they've been up and down on their boat a few times. And as you can see it there. Maybe they're doing some training exercises, I don't know. But they've got a problem that's been here. And once that scrap's gone, you won't even know we're here. So, thanks for watching.